Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine, the luxurious one, y'all. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my glass skin featuring the 10-step Korean skincare routine. So if you're interested in seeing what products I use to get this glass skin, definitely stay tuned. According to Vox.com, the Korean skincare was introduced into the American culture in 2011. You can find Korean beauty products at CVS. However, today I'm going to be using an assortment of different products that I'll leave in the description box for your convenience. The first step in the 10-step Korean skincare routine is to use an oil-based cleanser, and I'm going to go in this one by DHC. This is a deep cleansing oil that I found at Target. You can get this miniature size for about $5. They also come in a larger size as well, but y'all, I don't use a lot. A little bit really goes a long way. I rub it into my hands and directly apply it to my face to help break down that layer of makeup that I've been wearing all day. I've been using this same thing of oil cleanser for about 3 months now, and it's made a big difference in the way that I take off my makeup as well as my skin. I really don't know how I went this long without using this product, so if you haven't tried oil cleansing, definitely try it, even if you don't do the full 10 steps. I like to go in with a Kleenex and just take off the rest of the residue before I go in with the next step. So after I've got off most of the first layer of my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and start moisturizing my lips. I swear by this Blistex. The next step in the 10-step Korean skincare routine is going to be to go in with a water-based cleanser. Now first I have this Clarasol, which I use as a treatment if I have acne or breakout. This is what I'm going to reach for. It's literally amazing. Today, on a daily basis, I'm usually going to go in with the Aveeno Clear Complexion. This is the cream cleanser. I actually kind of went in with too much for y'all's aesthetical pleasure, but I usually just go in all over my skin. I love that it's super thick and moisturizing. I don't know, I've just really been leaning towards this the past couple of months, and so I like to use this on a daily basis for my very sensitive skin. One major change in my skin routine is going to be that I'm one of those girls who loves super hot water in the shower when I do my skin routine, when I'm washing my hair. I have been focusing on using lukewarm water, especially when I'm washing my face. So this rag is going to have kind of warm, lukewarm water just to make sure that I get the product nice and rinsed off, but I don't want to scorch my skin because I noticed that has been giving me flakes and drying out certain parts of my face. And so, yeah. For step 3 in this routine, you need an exfoliant. Today I'm going in with the second part of the Aveeno line. This is their Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. I love it because it's super moisture rich with soy extract, and also because it's very, very great for sensitive skin. I love this line when my skin is a little bit more sensitive. But lately I've been doubling this up with this amazing scrub that I got sent to me. The crazy part about this company is that you can customize your own products. You know what you're putting on your skin. Everything's super fresh and organic, chemical free, and I believe it's also vegan, so that's awesome, right? I've just been love using organic and like natural products on my skin because it's just helping with that natural glow, and I don't have to worry about my skin having a crazy reaction. So if you're interested, I'll leave a discount code in the description box below for you guys to try it out, as well as for this bomb mask right here. I will say this is an e-mix, so this is honestly going out of order of the 10-step Korean skincare routine, but this is what I've been doing for my personal nighttime routine. I love to do a clay mask and a sheet mask. Honestly, the way that the routine goes, I think it's perfect to do the clay mask right after I exfoliate, so I'm going in with this one. I'm going in with this one by teamiblends. This is their detox clay mask, and y'all, it is so bomb. Like, it literally has me voguing for real. I feel like this is really what gives me my glass skin. It pulls out all of my imperfections. And as you can see, while I mask, I sometimes like to go in with my DIY brow tint as well. Step 4 of the skincare routine is to tone. So I'm going in with this Thayer's Lemon Witch Hazel. This is another natural product. I absolutely love Thayer's skincare products, and I've been loving this toner lately. I love the smell of lemon, and it really just brightens up my skin and keeps it acne free. So I'm using this to get off any excess makeup as well. And yeah, next I'm gonna go in with an essence, and I've been using this spray by Olay. I use this even when I'm not wearing makeup, ladies, and even when I do. Like, I use this literally every day, all day. It is their Olay Essence Mist. I definitely need to purchase some more, so I'll be sure to leave this in the description box for you guys to check out. Step 6 is going to be to go in with a treatment, and I'm using this firming oil that I found at my local TJ Maxx. I really just love finding beauty products there. Next, I'm going to go in with a sheet mask, and y'all, I love this sheet mask. Baby was only $1, okay? Look how juicy she is. I picked her up from Dollar Tree. She was a little large for my face, but this is literally one of the best face masks that I've ever used, hands down. I want to say it was like an aloe gel face mask. I don't know, y'all. It was a gel mask. I've never used a gel mask before. Definitely try it out if you haven't. And she was chilling nice and cool in my skin freezer. 8 of the skincare routine is going to be to use an eye cream. And honestly, guys, I don't use an eye cream, but I do go in with an assortment of moisturizers for different areas of my face. And first, I went in with this aloe vera gel. Next, you can go in with these Sun Glow drops from e.l.f. or my all-time favorite, these vitamin C drops that I actually picked up from my local TJ Maxx. Yet again, this bottle was $5, y'all. And it is so amazing. This has changed my skin so much. Step 9 is going to be to go in with a moisturizer. So I usually just skip to this step and use any products that I like to moisturize my skin and just add some juice to it. Look how plump I look. And last but not least, step 10 is going to be sun protection. And I'm going in with this Olay 2-in-1. It is a sunscreen slash moisturizer. I only go in with a little bit of this because, as you can tell, it does give me a slight purple cast. But you want to be safer than sorry, okay, sis? And there you have it. This is my 10-step Korean skincare routine. I've been trying to film this video for months, you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any product suggestions below, because I'm sure you guys are skin connoisseurs just as much as I am. And I will see you guys in the next upload. Ladies, if you have not tried this routine, I'm definitely urging you to. It will change your life. See you guys next time. Peace.